What's up, guys? It's Kevin with the Knife Doctor, and I have found a sweet deal on Facebook Marketplace. It's a case knife and 4 lighters, and I know 3 are Zippos. I'm gonna get all that for 20 bucks. I'm gonna take you with me. Let me show you what I got. Okay, you see what I'm fixing to go get? I don't know what kind that one is, but these 3 look like Zippos. And also there's knives, which all these are China made except for one. See what kind that is, right? Case. Getting that case knife. I don't care about the other 3, they're China. And them 3 are all 4 of them. I don't know what kind that one is, but I'm gonna get all 4 of the lighters here. And that case knife for 20 bucks. Found it on Facebook. I'm gonna go this afternoon and pick it up. Y'all ready to go? Alright, we're headed to go get them. I'll show you when I get there.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
Alrighty, we are here. There's my $20. Hey. Doing good, ma'am. How are you doing? Appreciate this.
Yeah.
Do the case knife and these 3 here.
Okay.
And that one.
Gotcha. Sounds good.
All right. Well, we thank you.
You don't want them too?
And you gonna throw them in there?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, that's the jewel right there. We got Zippo. 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 This is a nice Zippo here. It's camel. Wow. I don't know what kind this is. I'll have to look at it. This China made right here. Now this looks like a USA made here. Okay guys, recap. Got 3 Zippos, and this one right here is a special. Right here now, this is a original 1932 replica, second release. It's a Camel cigarettes. But tomorrow morning, it's in the evening. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna be taking these apart, cleaning them up, finding exactly what year this little case knife is. We'll get all that gook off, and we're gonna clean this up. But the blades are not hurt at all. They're gonna clean up real good. 3 Zippos. The stars of the show. Now this, I think, is American-made knife. She threw everything in together for 20 bucks. I couldn't believe it. But this is American-made knife. It does have some writing on it, but I'm about to scrub it down, get some 400 grit sandpaper and sand the tang down some just to see who it is. But the main stars of the show are these 3 lighters and this excellent condition case knife. Ain't that awesome? Tomorrow we'll be cleaning everything up and checking the flints here, putting fluid in them, and just shining them up real good, checking the dates. So I'll be going all over that stuff tomorrow. See you in the morning. Hey, good morning, guys. It's the next morning after this incredible deal I got. Again, these are China made. It goes over here. We're going to try to see what knife this is. Use 400 grit sandpaper here. See USA right there. See the bottom, USA. Now to make out that top. Can't make it out. Alright, so that's a USA made knife. We'll put that up and I'll research that some more. Now here is the star of the show. Along with the lighters, but I really was going after this one. We're fitting to see what year this one is. I think it's a 2005. I will verify. Hang on a minute. It might be X's and dots. Yeah, there's X's and dots. There's 5 X's and 2 dots, if you can see that. So that means it's a 2003. I didn't see them dots at first. And there's a model number on here too. I'm gonna go in and get all the rust off on the buffing wheel. This right here is a fabric wheel. It does a good job on surface rust. See the SS right there, stainless steel, 6333 USA. This is what you call a working small stockman. And I'm telling you, it looks good. Okay, I looked all these dates up. The slim here, that logo was only used from 1955 to 1979, and that one little line over here, the little I, that was used in 1973. So this is a 50-year-old lighter. It don't tell you what month it is on these, but so that's 50 years old. His name was Paul. I'd like to have met Paul. Now this one here has got a C and a X and 3 I's. This one was put out in March of '97. Okay, I went ahead and looked this one up. This is an Intimidator Zippo commemorating Dale Earnhardt. And this is a E, so that's May, and that's an X and 2 I's. So this was in '96, May of '96. So got that out of the way. Got all the dates out of the way. Let's see. Sometimes these are too tight. Let's see. And that could just need a flint too. There we go. The flint stuck up in there. What it is. All right, there's that flint. Ain't hardly been used. It was just stuck up in there. Now we're gonna put a new flint up in there. How about that? There's one down. Guess it was just like the original one. All right, it's good. It's pretty good. So we're gonna put it back in there. We're not gonna clean these up today. We're just gonna make sure they light. Shoot some fluid down in there. Put this bad boy back in there. Nasty right there. How about that? That is one good looking Zippo, ain't it? All right, that's 2 down. And this one sparks good and it's pretty well clean. Let's see here. This one should light with no problem. we go. Awesome. Now check how well this case cleaned up. See the bolsters? It is a workman. Oh, this is a working small stockman. See them 5 X's and 2 dots? That means, and the way the case is spelled, that is a 2003. So it's 20 years old. This knife is 20 years old, believe it. When I say 2003, to me, it don't seem like that long ago, but it's 20 years old. It's got brass pins, brass liners, stainless steel blades, stainless steel springs. Looks like Delrin handles. It is a great little knife. And all the springs have snappability. Check that out. Ain't that cool? It cleaned up really well. Anyway, I saw that on Facebook. Couldn't believe it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the content of the video. If you did, just give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. This is a channel where we talk about knives and Zippos and everyday carry stuff and camping gear. So thanks again for tuning in, and thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate it very much. And I just want to say God bless y'all. Y'all have a great day, and until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.